are we in time and space? Contemplating time and space always brings humanity back to the roots of existence, asking about its place in this vast universe and its limited lifespan, compared to an infinite time that seems to extend before life began and after it ends. These philosophical and scientific questions have sparked the curiosity of thinkers and scientists, leading them to attempt throughout the ages to offer diverse answers spanning philosophy, religion, and science. In this article, we will delve into the concepts of time and space, discuss Carl Sagan's cosmic calendar, explore the limited existence of humans on Earth compared to the age of the universe, and examine how the past, present, and future intersect within a fascinating physics framework that reveals the greatness of the Creator and the creative design of this universe. The nature of time and space. Scientists agree that time and space form an intertwined fabric known as space-time. Einstein's theory of relativity introduced this concept, showing that time is not absolute, but relative, depending on speed and gravity. Space, in turn, is not a static void, but is flexible, capable of bending and being influenced by massive objects like stars and planets. Time is viewed as a continuous sequence of moments that connect the past, present, and future, while space is the realm that accommodates events and entities. But are time and space independent? Or do they have a beginning and an end, like any other creation? Second, Carl Sagan's cosmic calendar. The renowned astronomer Carl Sagan proposed the idea of the cosmic calendar to help humans understand their temporal position within the vast age of the universe. According to this concept, if we compress the entire age of the universe into 1 year, human existence would be just a fleeting moment at the end of that year. This concept highlights how brief human existence is compared to the entire age of the cosmos. Sagan believed that this perspective is not meant to diminish the importance of humanity, but rather to emphasize the limited nature of human existence in time and space, encouraging reflection on one's role and responsibility as part of this vast universe. Third, the limited existence of humans in the universe. Since the dawn of human awareness, humanity has strived to understand its place in the universe. Despite significant scientific progress, human existence remains limited not only in time, but also in space. Earth, our home, is a small planet orbiting an average-sized star in a galaxy among billions of galaxies. The physicist Richard Feynman reflected on this notion, stating, "We are a tiny speck in an infinite sea of stars and galaxies, yet we have the ability to think about this universe and comprehend its laws." Fourth, the intersection of past, present, and future. According to the theory of relativity, time is not a straight line as once believed, but a fabric that can bend and intertwine. This suggests that the past, present, and future may overlap in some way. In quantum mechanics, some theories suggest that each moment in time exists permanently in the universe, but humans, due to their limitations, can only perceive the present. The physicist Carlo Rovelli, a leading figure in the study of time, said, "Time is not what we think it is. It is an illusion created by our limited human perception." This understanding brings us back to the contemplation of God's wisdom, who created time and space and made them part of a precise cosmic system. Fifth, time and space as creatures of God. Science, despite its progress, cannot answer the great existential questions such as, why do time and space exist in the first place? This question ultimately leads to belief in the Creator, who created everything with infinite wisdom and power. The Quran alludes to this idea in the verse, "And we made the night and the day two signs," emphasizing that time is not just part of the cosmic order, but it is an evidence pointing to God's greatness. As for space, it is merely the stage upon which events unfold, and where God's power is manifested. As the physicist Paul Davies said, "Every atom in the universe bears evidence of a wise creator." Sixth, humans as a point in the ocean of God's creations. Contemplating the universe makes humanity realize its true size. It is just a tiny dot in an infinite sea of creations. This realization calls humans to humility before the greatness of the Creator and to wonder about their role in this vast universe. Isaac Newton, despite being one of the greatest physicists, said, "I am but a child playing on the shore of the vast ocean of knowledge." These words reflect the truth of humanity as a limited being in the face of the magnificence of the cosmos. Seventh, the words of scientists on time and space. Stephen Hawking said, "Time and space did not exist by accident. They are the result of a complex and precise cosmic system." Imam al-Ghazali noted, "Time and space are creations of God, and their limitations are a sign for us to reflect on the greatness of our Creator." The physicist Neil deGrasse Tyson said, "The more we look at the universe, the more we realize we are a tiny part of a greater design." Eighth, how should humans think about their place in the universe? Humility before the greatness of the universe. Realizing humanity's true size encourages humility before the greatness of the Creator. Using science to understand God's signs. Scientific progress is not a tool to deny God's existence, but rather a means to understand His wisdom and creativity. Working toward a higher purpose. Humans must recognize that their existence is not random, but rather part of a divine plan. Conclusion. The question of our place in time and space always leads us to contemplate the greatness of the Creator and His wisdom in creating this universe. Humans, despite their limitations, have the ability to think and reflect, which makes them unique among God's creations. Time and space are but two signs of God's many signs, and if humanity recognizes this, it will live with a deeper understanding and a more sincere faith. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to get our latest videos.